The Beijing Auto Show has been really popular recently, which gathered the world's leading figures in the automotive industry. Various domestic and foreign media rushed to report. Chinese domestic cars have become the most outstanding ones. Planetary roller screws are becoming the ideal choice in the automotive manufacturing industry due to their greater advantages in terms of precision, load capacity, and impact resistance. Then, what are the applications of planetary roller screws in automotive design? Firstly, it can be used in riveting machines and stamping machines to manufacture automotive structural components and body panels. Secondly, it can be used in automotive electric, welding and gluing processes, and it can also be applied in painting and coating equipment to achieve high speed and stable efficiency. Planetary roller screws can also replace the original hydraulic system and be used in automotive control, steering and braking systems, which can effectively simplify the structure while improving the response speed, reliability of the system. DM us for more information about planetary roller screws.